How to fix network_failed error when installing an extension in Chrome on Windows. FYI, the error message network_failed was a known bug, https://goo.gl/WLNVBD. Solution 1. 1. Check if the latest Google Chrome is installed on your computer. Note, click Relaunch to apply any available update. 2. Disable unnecessary Chrome extensions, one by one Adblock Plus, turn off the lights, Gmail checker etc. And receive this error message network_failed, then what you need to do is close all your Chrome windows. First, remove any unwanted/unused software with the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide. For advanced users, perform a clean boot as well. 3. Backup your personal data, example bookmarks, passwords, etc., remove existing Chrome with the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide. Moreover, go to Start, type %temp% and click OK. In your own temp folder, select all the files and press the delete or press Ctrl+A and then the delete key. 4. Five. Restart your computer. 6. Re-download and reinstall now Google Chrome later. 7. Go back to Chrome Web Store, and you should be able to install the extension/app you desired. Solution 2. 1. Open your own C drive. 2. Open the Windows folder. 3. Open System32 folder. 4. Open Drivers folder. 5. Open the etc. folder. 6. You will see several files, one of them has named hosts. 7. Open the file by any text editor. 8. Delete the last sentence 127.0.0.1 clients2.google.com, if available. 9. Save the file in the same name and same location. 10. Close all opened windows and restart your Google Chrome. Plan B, backup current host's file, reset it later, https://goo.gl/usf8ai. Solution 3, try to A new browser profile, https://goo.gl/t3phzw. Solution 4, please scan your computer for malware/adware, run Chrome's malware scanner and cleanup tool, then try the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. Solution 5, 1. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete on your keyboard and choose Task Manager. Click the Processes tab and end every process that includes Google or Chrome in its name. 2. Delete the application folder in Chrome's installation folder. Other voices on the web, 1. Reset Chrome settings. 2. Disable any active proxy in IE. 3. Flush DNS and reset TCP/IP, IP protocol configuration/flushdns. 4. Delete Wi-Fi network profiles, if any. Run the following 2 commands as admin: netshare show profiles netshare delete profile name equals daylink15, example connection here, open registry editor. Head to hkey_local_machine/software/Microsoft/Windows NT/current version/networklist/profiles. Check the profiles key, and check the profile name strings value data contains the same entry for daylink15 or not. If yes, delete that key. Restart your router, if any, by unplugging the power cable for 30 seconds. 5. Resync your system. Time, check whether your system time is correct or not. 6. Tested in Windows Safe mode with networking, https://goo.gl/atxcfk. 7. Temporarily turn off your firewall and antivirus or even reinstall the extension. 8. Rename existing Chrome browser profile, exit Google Chrome completely. Enter the keyboard shortcut Windows key and E to open Windows Explorer. In the Windows Explorer window that appears, enter the following in the address bar. Windows XP, %user profile %local settings /application data /Google /Chrome /user data /Windows Vista /Windows 7 /Windows 8, %local app data %Google /Chrome /user data locate the folder called default in the directory window that opens and rename it as backup default. Try opening Google. Chrome again. Last but not least, try a different browser if you too want to install Chromecast.